If your organization has decided to deploy using the private cloud model, you would need to build your own internal team. Key roles here would include the cloud administrator. This is the individual typically responsible for implementation, monitoring, and maintenance of the cloud within the organization or on behalf of an organization. Most notably, this role involves the implementation of policies, permissions, and access to resources. The cloud administrator works directly with systems, network, and cloud storage administrators. The cloud service manager is the person typically responsible for policy design, business agreement, pricing models, and some elements of the service level agreement. This role worked closely with cloud management and customers to reach service agreements and alongside the cloud administrator to implement SLAs and policies on behalf of the customers. Next, the cloud operator holds responsibility for daily operational tasks and duties that focus on cloud maintenance and monitoring activities. The cloud storage administrator focuses on mapping, subjugation, bandwidth, and reliability of assigned storage volumes. Additionally, this role may require ensuring conformance to relevant SLAs met working with and alongside network and cloud administrators. The cloud architect determines when and how a private cloud meets the policies and needs of an organization's strategic goals and contractual requirements from a technical perspective. The cloud architect is also responsible for designing the private cloud. He's involved in hybrid cloud deployment and instances and has a key role in understanding and evaluating technologies, vendor services, and other skill sets needed to deploy the private cloud or to establish and function across hybrid cloud components. The cloud applications architect is the person responsible for adapting, porting, or deploying an application to a target cloud environment. The main focus of this role is to work closely and alongside development and other design and implementation resources to ensure that an application's performance, reliability, and security are all maintained throughout the life cycle of the application. This requires continuous assessment, verification, and testing throughout the various phases of both the software and systems development life cycles. Most architects represent a mix or blend of system administration experience and domain-specific experience. This gives them insight to the operating systems, domains, and other components while identifying potential reasons the application may be experiencing performance degradation or other negative impacts. The cloud data architect's work is similar to that of the cloud architect, but their role is to ensure the various storage types and mechanisms utilized within the cloud environment meet and conform to the relevant SLAs, and that the storage components are functioning according to their specified requirements. Finally, the cloud developer is on the team as a focal point on development for the cloud infrastructure itself. This role can vary from client tools or solution engagements to systems components. Although developers can operate independently or as part of a team, regular interactions with cloud administrators and security practitioners are required for debugging, code reviews, and relevant security assessment remediation requirements.